to show you how to clean your mass airflow sensor. Look how dirty it is. Look. This thing have to be clean. In a different car, it's a different way to remove it. On my car, is these two metal, I don't know what it's called, clips or something, and two screw. On a different car, it's a different type of a screw. So to do the cleaning, you have to use something like this. It spray from a distance, not in directly on this. I mean, not closest to this resistor. You see? There. And not touch the resistor with hands. So I show you how dirty it is. I touched it on the plastic, not there. So in order to clean it, you have to spray with something like this distance. Let me show you. I move from the car to not spray it. So from a distance like this. You see something or not? You have to wait until it's dry. About 10 minutes. Then spray it again, then wait another 10 minutes to it's dry, and then put on the car. You have to wait until it's completely dry. Never touch the resistor with your hands, and don't do it with this cable on. You have to unplug it, then spray it. Okay, time to spray second time. And wait another 10 minutes to completely dry, then put on car. Location of the airflow sensor is this is the air box, air filter, and here is the airflow sensor. Screw it with two screws, and then these things, this tube connected with the turbo. On different car it's in a different place, but always is closer to air filter, air box. I clean it before reinstall it, and you see how dirty it is. All this came from that, then from this tube, and from this also clean here. Then here, look how dirty it is. And I assemble everything together, and that's it. Okay, let's assemble everything back together. It's dry already. I clean up on this area too. Very careful not to touch the resistor.
Generous. Now I've learned to never help you out, 'cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets.
Okay guys, that's it. I clean it, assemble everything back together, and now hit the road. So I hope you like the content. See my videos. I have videos on Passat B6. I have video of Audi A60 C6. In the video with this Peugeot. This is 508 hybrid RX-H model, and that's it. I hope you like it. Please subscribe, it's free.